going to use the sound effect for bike ride, okay? Okay? So when I say you start the bike, you need to just do like this, okay? Okay? Not now, when I say. Come here. Come. Wear these gloves, okay? Be ready? जैसे मैं आपको पंच बोलूँगी, आपको पंचेस यहाँ पे कंटिन्यू करेंगे, okay? Come here. You need to rotate this for the sound of wind, okay? Okay. Come here. Come this side. And at the end, there will be a bullet shooting scene. When I say you shoot, you need to just shoot here like this. Only one time. This is the climax scene. There is only one bullet with them. Okay. So artists, for your coordination, let's say we have a video there. You can watch the TV there. You can watch the video there. And when I say you, continue with your shoot. Punch start. Continue. Continue. How I start? Did you want to start the wing? Start the wing. Start the wing. Like. Yes.